Tiago and Tigor are powered by the same 1.2-litre naturally aspirated petrol unit, which makes 85 bhp, 113 Nm of torque. But the same engine is expected to produce only 70 bhp power and 90 Nm of peak torque. Transmission duties will be carried out by a 5-speed manual gearbox. While the power output figure sees a drop, it will benefit with a much better fuel efficiency, which is around 30 km per kilogram. Visually, the CNG models will sport no difference to their petrol-powered counterparts, except for a CNG logo placed somewhere in the car. In addition, Tata Motors will also offer the option to get the CNG kits fitted at the dealership level. Upon the launch, the Tata Tiago CNG will compete against the CNG powered variants of the Hyundai Santro or the WagonR and the upcoming CNG versions of the Swift and new gen Celerio. On the other hand, Tigor CNG will rival the Hyundai Aura CNG. Tata Motors hopes to increase the sales volume with the inclusion of the CNG variants. Thanks for watching.